Now dear students, question number 2. Form the pair of linear equations and find their solutions by elimination method if they exist. If they exist means you have to check the nature, whether the solution is unique or no solution or coincident. Okay, infinitely many solutions. If exist means it exists only in case of unique solution. So let us do the first question. It is related to the fraction. I told you in case of fraction, what is the fraction? You have to assume the numerator and denominator first. So let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore the fraction is x by y. Now let us move according to the question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. Dear students, if we add, let the numerator be x, denominator be y, therefore fraction is this. What they are telling us to do? If we add 1 to the numerator and also by adding 1 to the denominator, the fraction reduces. Reduces means equal to 1. The fraction will become 1. This is the first condition. And in second line, and dear students, in second line, it becomes, it means the fraction. It becomes के लिए equal to, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator, means the numerator will remain same. It becomes, who is it? Who is it? The fraction is it. It becomes means equal to 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to the denominator, means there will be no change in the numerator. Then find the fraction. So after getting the value of x and y, we can get the fraction. But we have to convert the equations into the standard form. For that we will cross multiply and combine the like terms. Then we will follow the elimination method. Let's do. So dear students, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Now cross multiply them. X plus 1 multiplied by 1 will get the same. Y minus 1 multiplied by 1 will get the same. By taking constant terms to right hand side and x minus y will get this equation. Similarly, cross multiply the second equation to get this. Now for elimination method, as you can see, the coefficient of y is already same. No need to cross multiply, okay? But their signs are similar, minus minus. So we will subtract the two equations. For subtraction, change the sign of each and every term of the second equation. So in this way you will get x is equal to 3. By putting the value in first equation, you will get the value of y. Therefore the fraction is equal to x by y is equal to 3 by 5. So in this way you will get the answer. Dear students, now nothing is new. For statements to convert into equations, the method is same as I am teaching you in every exercise. Okay. Now dear students, next question, age question is there. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice means 3 times as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Twice means 2 times. How old are Noori and Sonu? As I told you, dear students, whenever the age question is there, you have to start the question from the present ages, right? In this question, 2 characters Noori and Sonu are there. So in the very beginning, what you have to do is, you have to assume their present ages. So let Noori's present ages x years and Sonu's present ages y years. Now 2 lines are given to you. One is about the 5 years ago age and one is about 10 years later. Dear students, obviously 5 years ago means past age. And to get the past age, क्या किया जाता है? If your present age is 15, तो 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले कितनी होगी आपकी एज? क्या करोगे आप? You will subtract 15 minus 5, right? So same here, Noori's age will be x minus 5. Obviously, the Sonu's age will also get reduced. It will be y minus 5. Same, if I'll ask you your age after 10 years or 10 years later, Obviously, what will you do? You will add 10 years, 15 plus 10. Same here, we'll add 10 years to Noori's age as well as 10 years to Sonu's age. Now, when you will form the equations, for 5 years condition, you will put these ages. For 10 years condition, you will put these ages. So, let us read. 5 years ago, Noori was, for was you will write equal to thrice as old as Sonu. So, Noori for was you will place equal to thrice means 3 times. Times के लिए multiply as old as Sonu. This is 5 years ago age. So, you have to put these ages. So, we'll write x minus 5 is equal to 3 into y minus 5. Do not forget of putting the bracket. Now, solve the 3y by distribution property. You will get the equation x. Take it to the left hand side, minus 3y minus 15 minus 5 will become plus 5. So, first equation will be x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This will be your first equation, right? Similarly, the second equation is that 10 years later, Noori will be means equal to twice means 2 times as old as Sonu. So, Noori will be equal to twice means 2 times means multiply old as Sonu. This is 10 years later. So, we will put these ages. So, x plus 10 is equal to 2 into y plus 10. Now, convert them and solve them by elimination method. So, just solve it by distribution property. You will get the 2 equations. Now, for elimination method, again, as you can see, the coefficient of x is same, but the sign are also same. To make the difference in the sign, we will subtract. For subtraction, change the sign. You will get x eliminated. Y is equal to 20. By putting the value of y in first equation, you will get x is equal to 50. So, answer is Noori's present age is 50 years and Sonu's present age is 20 years. So, dear students, in this way, you will solve the equations easily, right? So, try the statement questions yourself. Solve the examples in your notebook.